I am starting a new series of zodiacs and graphology on my YouTube channel. Every month I will be posting one video from this series. Every zodiac has its own strengths and weakness. Leo month has just started, so let's start with our first video of this series on Leo and graphology. In this video I will introduce you first with the strengths and weakness of Leo. Then would tell you that how with the help of Graphology one can reduce or eliminate those traits from your personality. Positive traits of Leo are confidence, strong, loyal, faithful, generous, warm, cheerful, humorous, creative, passionate, enthusiastic. Now let's look at weaknesses of Leo: dominating, stubborn and vanity. Point to be noted here is not all the Leos will show all strengths and weakness. These are general traits. A Leo might have few traits or might not be having any of these traits at all. Let's start with the trait of dominating and how to check that trait in handwriting with graphology. This trait shows when the T crossbar goes downward in small t. If you are a Leo or not but you have this trait in your handwriting and want to remove this trait, then make a T crossbar either straight or going upwards as shown in image. Next let's see the traits of being stubborn with graphology.
If a writer writes small t and small d in such a way that initial upward and downward strokes of letters play out extremely in the lower part of the letter, that's when stubbornness appears. So if you are a Leo or not, but if your handwriting and your personality has traits of stubbornness and you want to change that trait, then write T and D in such a way that letters are retraced and they separate at the lower part of letter and the separation is narrow, it's not wide or splayed. This is not a stubbornness. So here's the example of stubbornness and no stubbornness with graphology in the image. Let's identify last trait of weakness in Leo with graphology, and that trait is vanity. Vanity can be recognized from handwriting by looking at the size of the T stem. If the height of T stem in small t is more than twice the height of lowercase alphabets like small a, c, a, n, m, etc., then it's vanity. Again, you may be a Leo or may not be a Leo, but if you have this trait in your handwriting and if you want to change this trait in your handwriting, then practice them in such a way that height of stem of small t is less than or equal to twice the size of lower zone alphabets. Below is example of vanity or not a vanity. Do like, share, subscribe and comment because that motivates me to make better videos for you.